tingala mo ha, kaya ang magkakaroon ng konser. Kasawang gini. Hindi. Hindi na lang mo pag-pag-pag-pag mo ako. So, natunta mo ito na. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, modified hard course, adapt post game, Agrarian Reform Cooperative, MTSR, Workplace, Cardaba, Barangay Tapo, Panabo City, oath of office. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, oath MTSR, having been elected appointed to the position of do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability. The duties of my present position and all other that I may hereafter hold the MDE's ARCO.
The duties of my present position and all others that I may hereafter hold the MDE's ARCO.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will support and defend the article of corporation and bylaws.
That I will support and defend the articles of corporation and bylaws.
That I commit myself to uphold the cooperative code of conduct and ethical standards of Region 11.
That I commit myself to uphold the cooperative code of conduct and ethical standards in Region 11.
That I will obey the laws,
That I will obey the laws,
legal order, decrees, rules and regulations, policies, program related to the operation of MDE's ARCO. And that I impose the obligation upon myself, voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Thank you. Palakpakan. Very old.
So before na ko hamagan na kong conducting officer of his message.
Salamat, Ahumaraja.
May